Hey everyone, I'm Anmol Memon, your AI product analyst at allaboutai.com, and today we're talking about Remaker AI, a powerful face swap tool that's turning heads. We'll see how it works, if it's free, and if it's worth the hype. Let's dive right in. So, what is Remaker AI? It's an AI-based app for swapping faces in photos and videos. Whether you're making memes or editing for social media, Remaker AI makes it quick and fun. Now, what a lot of people ask is, what is the use of Remaker AI and what are the standout features? Well, I would say this is mostly for content creator. You can swap multiple faces at once and edit videos' faces, all with a few taps. Also, here's why it stands out. As I said, swap faces in videos, not just photos. And multiple face swaps. Perfect for group photos or creative edits. Plus, it's available for both iOS and Android, super easy to download. Okay, so now, if you are wondering if Remaker AI is free, yes it is. But if you want unlimited swaps or advanced tools, there's a paid version. The free version, though, gets the job done for most users. Now, one downside, you'll notice Remaker AI can take a bit of time to load, especially with large videos. But once it's up and running, it works smoothly. Did you just ask, is Remaker AI safe? Yes, it is. Just be mindful of the permissions you grant, but overall it's secure and has maintained a solid reputation. So what's the bottom line? What's my verdict? Remaker AI is an incredibly fun and useful tool for quick and easy face swaps, whether for photos or videos. The free version has a lot to offer, and despite the occasional slow loading time, it's definitely worth a try. Hence, I give it an overall rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more reviews like this, then make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and visit our website for more interesting AI insights. Till then, keep exploring, you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.